In this video, we're going to see if it's possible to cross-play Rainbow Six Siege between PlayStation and PC. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. To answer this, I'm at the official Ubisoft help page, and from here you can look for crossplay, and as you can see, the second most popular resource or article is crossplay and cross-progression features in Ubisoft games. If you select this, as you can see, it's going to give you a detailed view of how crossplay works between Ubisoft titles, and you can select crossplay and cross-progression in Rainbow Six Siege specifically. As you can see here, it supports crossplay between PlayStation and Xbox consoles or between PC and Luna. And more so, it is not possible to matchmake between PC and console platforms. So what this means is that sadly, as of today, it is not possible to crossplay between PlayStation 4 and PC on Rainbow Six Siege. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that according to the official Ubisoft help article, it is impossible to crossplay between PC and console. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.